Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bee propolis tincture. We'll cover everything from selecting your materials to the final storage of your homemade remedy. This guide will help you create a potent extract, perfect for various uses. Get ready to learn a simple, natural process that harnesses the power of the hive. To begin, gather your raw bee propolis and a high-proof, food-grade alcohol. Aim for at least 80 proof or 40% alcohol for effective extraction. Carefully clean your propolis by removing any large debris or impurities. Then, break it into smaller pieces. This increases the surface area, allowing for better compound extraction. Next, combine your prepared propolis and alcohol in a clean, sealed glass jar. A good starting point is a ratio of 1 part propolis to 2 parts alcohol by weight. Shake the mixture thoroughly once a day for a period of 2 to 4 weeks. During this time, keep the jar in a cool, dark place to protect the compounds from light degradation. After the extraction period, it's time to filter your tincture. Use a coffee filter or several layers of cheesecloth to separate the liquid from the propolis solids. The clear, filtered liquid is your finished propolis tincture. Transfer it into dark glass dropper bottles for storage. When stored correctly in a cool, dark place, your homemade tincture can remain potent for several years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.